Okay, we've been given some facts about two lines. Line 1, gradient of 2, and line 2, which is here, is perpendicular. They intersect at PQ, might as well put that on, and line 2 crosses the axis at point B. Show that the point P can be written in terms of P and Q. Okay, so this line has got gradient of 2, and this line gradient of -1/2. So the equation of 2, which must be in the form y equals mx plus c, is in our case y is equal to -1/2 x plus c. And we know that one of the points on that line has coordinates p and q, so we can substitute in p and q into this equation and get c. The q value is the y value, so therefore I can say that q, the y value, is equal to a -1/2 p plus c. And c, remember, is this distance here, the intercept of line 2 with the axis. So going on with this, making c the subject, c is equal to q plus 1/2 p. So the coordinates of B are equal to, well, the x-coordinate will be 0, and the y-coordinate is simply our value here. And there's your answer.